Improving lives of the rural population is one of the topmost priorities of the government. Several welfare schemes have been launched to achieve this goal. Today, we take you to a village in Assam's Jorhat district that is making progress with the implementation of such schemes.
32-year-old Kiramoni Saikia is a resident of Chetia Gaon, situated on the outskirts of Jorhat district in Upper Assam. She is a mother of two and could barely meet the needs of the household with the meager income of her husband, who works as a daily wage labourer. However, under the central government's MG-Narega scheme, she has been provided a job card through which she gets work as a daily wager in various construction projects. She is happy that she is now able to provide for her children's education.
Job card offer পৰা মই বহুত সুবিধা পাইছো মোৰ মানুহজনে একো নকৰে কাৰণ ল'ৰা ছোৱালী কিটা পঢ়াবৰ বাবে জব কাৰ্ডৰ পইচাৰে ল'ৰা ছোৱালী পঢ়াই খুৱাই বুৱাই আছো আৰু টকা পইচাও হাসিছো আৰু দুটা ল'ৰা ছোৱালী ডন বস্কত পঢ়িও আছে তাৰপা আৰু ঘৰখনো মই পোহপাল দি আছো আৰু মোৰ নিজৰ বাবে টকাও হাসিছো মাহেকীয়া পইচা কিটা গোটেই ঘৰখন চলাই গৈ আছো.
Most residents of the village are either engaged in agriculture or work as daily wagers. While the village is making economic progress, it faces problems due to poor road connectivity. Under the MG-Narega scheme, the government has sanctioned a project for the construction of Pakka Road from Bakchung to Chetia Gaon, the work for which is in full swing. All job card holders of the village are engaged in the construction work on rotation basis. The project has provided employment to many residents of the area.
The job card of ami jitu paisa paisu hetu ami bank dagghor jama kori thesu aru bhovishote amar kaba osubidha hole ami hetu paisa uliai ni poriyalor sahay koribo paru.
Both the central and state government are trying to uplift the living standard of the people. The proper implementation of welfare schemes has come as a boon for people in the rural areas.